Hello dear children, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue the video lesson of chapter number 6 of Geography, which is about agriculture. So let's begin with the types of crops. So crops are classified into three types and they are food crops, fiber crops and beverage crops. Wheat, rice, maize and millets. They are the good examples of the food crops, while cotton and jute are the example of fiber crops. Tea and coffee, they come under the category of beverage crops. So let's start with the food crops in detail. Wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It thrives best in well-drained loamy soil. Wheat is grown extensively in USA, Canada, Russia, Australia, Argentina and India. Rice. This is the major food crop of the world and the staple diet of the tropical and subtropical regions. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. It grows best in alluvial clay soil which can retain water. China, that is the leading producer of rice, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. Maize. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. It needs well-drained fertile soils. Maize is grown in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. Millets are known as coarse grains and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils. It is hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Jowar, bajra and ragi are grown in India, Nigeria and China. Fiber crops. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It grows best on black and alluvial soils. China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil and Egypt. These are the leading producers of cotton in the world. Jute, also termed as golden fiber, and grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. This crop is grown in the tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. Beverage crops. So in beverage crops, tea that requires cool climate and well distributed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves. It needs well-drained loamy soil and gentle slopes. Kenya, India, China and Sri Lanka, these are the leading producers of tea in the world. Coffee. Coffee requires warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for growth of this crop. Brazil, that is the leading producer, followed by Colombia and India. So this was all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.